How to hide your following list on TikTok. Whether you want to maintain your privacy or just keep things a bit more discreet, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account for which you want to hide your following list. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Once you're here, tap on three horizontal line in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Setting and Privacy option. Under Settings and Privacy, select and tap on the Privacy option. Then, scroll down until you see Following List option. Tap on it. There's two options here on who can see your following list. To hide your following list, simply select and tap on Only Me. And that's it. Your TikTok following list is now hidden from prying eyes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow TikTok users. And if you have any other questions or need more TikTok tips, drop them in the comments below.